Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix add friend request. Let's say you want to add someone. Let's say you want to send someone a friend request, but you can't send them. So like today I'm going to be showing you how to fix that thing. You want to send someone a friend request, but you can't send them. So like without wasting any time, let's get into this video. First thing you want to do is you're going to click on your Facebook app. Then after you're done clicking on your Facebook app, it's gonna take you here. Then after, okay, you want to send someone a friend request, but you can't send them. So like, let's take this guy for an example. Let's take a public figure like Lil Wayne. As you can see, guys, you can't send Lil Wayne a friend request because he's a public figure. He's a big influencer. He's a public figure. So like, you can only follow him. You can't be friends with him. You can only follow him, as you can see. So like, you can only see stories and many more. So like, let's take someone who's less famous than Lil Wayne. Let's say you want to send someone friend request. Let's say maybe someone you've heard of, or maybe someone you just adore or something. Okay, you're gonna click here. You're gonna go back. You're going to click here on the top right icon here. Top right icon. Then after there, you're going to go to settings. Okay, click on the top right button. Then click on settings. Click on the top right button. Okay, guys. And then go to settings and privacy. Settings and privacy. Then after, click on settings. Okay, guys. Then after here, you're gonna go here where it says profile settings on top here. Click on profile settings. Then after you're done here, as you can see, guys, one of the reasons you can't send the person friend request is maybe they've blocked you. That's one of the top reasons. Maybe they've blocked you. So like, you can't send them friend requests. Like maybe they've blocked you. So like, you can't send them friend request. And another thing is, let me show you guys. Another thing is privacy, guys. Let's click on privacy, and let's go here where it says who can send you friend request. As you can see, click on who can send you friend request. Some other people they've choose this option of friends of friends. So like, if you're not friends with their friends, so like, you can send them a friend request, you won't see that option that says send friend request because they've changed their settings to friends of friends. But if you choose everyone, then everyone can send you a friend request. But if you choose this option of friends, and then you sending me a friend request, then you and I don't have any mutual friends, then you won't see that option of send friend request because you and I, we don't share same friends. So like, this is the second reason why you can't send someone a friend request, is because they've done their option to friends of friends, or they've blocked you. The first one is they have blocked you, or they have done friends of friends. Let me go back to everyone. As you can see, guys, that's how this thing is fixed. You can't follow public figures. You can't be friends with public figures because they've done their account to be public figure. Then second reason is because maybe that someone has blocked you. If someone blocks you, you can send them the friend request. Then the third option maybe is because they have changed their privacy options to friends of friends. So like, that's why you can't send them a friend request. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more videos like this.